Hi, this is me, Najibul Sheikh. I am Google Merchant Center and website tracking expert. I have recently fixed another three Google Merchant Center of my three another client. Let me show you. This one I got reactive this Merchant Center 11 June. And today recently I got this GMC reactive. This one I got reactive for the website need improvement, and this one I got reactive 11 June for the misrepresentation issue. And the third one, let me show you this one. This merchant center actually I have fixed three times. My client this merchant center the three times suspend. I mean when I reactive this merchant center, then after 3 months it's again suspend, then I have reactive it again, then it's after 4 months later it's again suspend, then I recently again reactive this merchant center. Actually sometime client make the changes on the website and some changes are not complied to the Google policy, that's why Google suspend the merchant center. So it's very important when you change anything in your website, uh, you must need to follow the Google policy, otherwise your merchant center will be suspended again. So this one also I have reactive misrepresentation issue. Three time I have reactive this merchant center for the misrepresentation issue, and this one I got reactive 9th June. Let me show you the reactive. If I go to the product and need attention, let me show you and view history. As you can see, this merchant center was long time suspended, and after 9 you can see 8 June still not approved. And when I go to the 8 check the 8 June data, let me show you this. So sorry, if I go the 9, let me show you. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, you can see 9th June and it's got approved. This merchant center actually there have some issue like limitation, that's why it's showing 100 approved and 60 limitation. Then I have again contact to the Google support and request the feed limit and they approved. Hmm. Actually when this suspension you are facing, like when you create the merchant center through the Google and YouTube from the Shopify app. Mm. In that case, instantly you will get the 100 product limitation. Then when you go to support team and ask to increase the limit, then they will approve the feed limit. So now this merchant center uh, 3K product, 3,400 like. Mm. So all are approved. And this this merchant center, let me show you the website. This is the my Indian client website. This is, and I have fixed this merchant center after trying like 25 days. So sometime it's take time to recover the merchant center because Google they did not say the exact reason why they are suspending. So we have to follow all their Google policy. According to the policy, first we I need to find out all the thing, all the mistakes from the website, and one by one I have to fix first. Sometime if we did not find a single mistake from the website, then it will not approve. After 3 or 4 time later I got this merchant center approved, this one. So it's take 25 days. So sometime Google it's take time to recover the merchant center, and this merchant center actually was a problem for the website need improvement, and this one I got reactive today, and I have fixed all the thing according to the website need improvement issue, like website is split, the home page are properly not loading. When I talk to the support team, I actually sharing all the experience how I actually reactive those merchant center, so it will be better clarified to you to figure out your merchant center also, how can you fix. So I have a option to contact to the support team. As you can see my screen, I have contact to the support team, and they sometime give some reason when they check the website and merchant center. Then if they find any issue, then they will explain to you, like this website have a problem, like the website properly not loading, and the home page are showing blank. Hmm. So website homepage showing blank, there have a theme issue, Shopify theme issue. So support team, I when I contact 2 days ago, then they told me there have a issue in the website homepage. The product are not showing, the banner are not showing. When I check, it's fine, but they did not check. So sometimes it's a theme problem, and there have other also issue. They did not mention the policy properly, the contact information, the business information, and there have some empty category. mm. There have some promotional text on the title. mm. So there have lot of thing actually. After fixing all those things, as I took a manual review. First time I send review request from the GMC, pressing the button, but it was rejected. Let me show you. If I go to the email archive, and 5 June when I sent the review request, it rejected. You can see this is the rejected mail. Then it's gonna cool down, then it's the cooldown when end. Then after I try to fix all those things, and then today, sorry, yesterday night, I just after fixing all those things, I just talked to the support team. They took a manual review, they sent this case to the waiter team, yeah, as you can see. And then after yeah, then today it's got reactive. So there have a lot of thing actually, to fix the uh, issue from the website. So if you are facing the same issue in your merchant center, you have tried lot of and could not find the issue, and you don't know the Google policy, you are trying lot of time, but you did not get reactive, so just feel free to contact me. In the video description, you can see my contact number, WhatsApp number. Then you easily contact me, and then you just tell me whole the thing, what exactly issue, and how long time are you facing this issue. And then after that, I will investigate your all the issue, all the website issue, and merchant center I will check. Then I will fix your merchant center also. So feel free to contact me if you are facing the misrepresentation issue, or website need improvement issue, or any product related issue. mm, like product related issue, like there have a GTI issue, or more other issue, then you can feel free to contact me, then I will fix your merchant center. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and I will share my another case study with the next video. So thank you, bye.